The massive revenues generated by ticket sales, broadcasting rights, and sponsorship deals, the rise of sports betting and fantasy leagues as new revenue streams, highlight major brands like Nike and Adidas shaping athlete endorsement culture. Point 7. Memorable moments and icons, 2 minutes, unforgettable games. The Miracle on Ice in 1980, Michael Jordan's championship-winning shot in 1998, and Serena Williams' Grand Slam victories, inspirational athletes' stories of perseverance, such as Jim Abbott, a one-handed pitcher in MLB, and Paralympians redefining athletic achievement. Health and safety. The long-term effects of concussions in football and the growing awareness around athlete mental health, the efforts to improve safety standards in all sports, inequality and corruption. Pay disparities in women's sports, the debate over NCAA athletes being compensated, and controversies like doping and match fixing. Environmental impact. The carbon footprint of large-scale sporting events and efforts to make them more sustainable. The technology and innovation. The role of wearable tech, analytics, and virtual reality in enhancing athlete performance and fan experiences. Globalization. The increasing influence of international sports and collaborations, like the 2026 FIFA World Cup hosted by the US, Canada, and Mexico. Youth and grassroots development efforts to make sports more accessible to underserved communities to ensure the next generation of athletes. End on a high note, celebrating the unifying power of sports across generations and cultures. Emphasize how sports inspire, entertain, and bring people together, embodying the best of human potential.
Thrive. With innovations in logistics and delivery boosting online shopping, companies are increasingly leveraging AI to personalize shopping experiences and optimize supply chains. Geopolitical tensions, particularly with China and Russia, are influencing the U.S. economy. Trade restrictions and tariffs have complicated relations with China, impacting industries reliant on Chinese imports. Meanwhile, sanctions